Hey everybody! Today I'm going to play this awful game that I really hate. I'm really mad right now. You can probably tell why. I think that's attack, so if I kill one... Wait, no, I know what to do. Kill these. Kill them. Not run into them, me. I can kill these, so... Okay, I'm going to kill you. Thank you for that. Darn you. I'm moving. If you stop sending those kitties over the yours, I'll stop raging. Die, die, die. No, die. Not kill me. Be patient, me. Patience. Wait, so they only attack when you're near them. That makes everything easier. Oh crap. Yeah, I shouldn't have jumped. No, shift. Shift, helicopter. Kill you. Kill myself. Kill you. Kill myself. Can I kiss you? Oh. Oh, oh. Come on. You can tell I really hate this game. And I just bit my microphone. This is one of the old microphones. Whatever king these things these are. Die. How do you attack? How do you attack? You kill me. Kill me. Kill me. Kill. Going to leave a big fat smelly dislike. I don't care. I hate that game. I don't hate it. I'm just very mad right now. Oh gosh. I hate it. I'm stupid. I am super stupid. I'm going to go to this game. I don't know why I'm singing. Woo! It's loading in. Winning this game goes on flashing lights and play at your own risk. Blah blah blah. Too tired to go back downstairs. Go to sleep, yes. I already know what happened because I played this game before, but I didn't finish. Here we go again. This is going to be the last time I see this nightmare. Blah 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 blah. play these games at your own risk of just smashing your keyboard. I jumped! I bet you we can go to that bit later. But I'm not going to ever see that since I keep on raging and rage quitting. Then you have to do it backwards. I have to get thing. Press this. Go back. Ba 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 ba. Ba! You're in the dash. Yay! Ba 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 ba. I saved my life. I didn't save my life that time. Just kill me. Kill me in the game, I mean. Not actually kill me. This is, for some reason, entertaining. I'll be a second. Ah! The singing of dying. Just the motion of dying. And brushing your eyes out. And hurting your eyes. I love it! Yeah, just keep on killing me. I don't care anymore. But, well, not spy.